I'm working diligently on my systematic philosophical theology. I've completed volume 1, and that takes me through the doctrine of God, which is a major milestone because that lies at the heart of Christian theology. Now I'm working on the doctrine of creation. And this is slower going because it involves some new material for me that I haven't worked on before, written on before, such as the origin of life and the evolution of biological complexity. But once that is completed, that will round out volume 2. I think I should complete that this year. And then the remainder is to be written, and I'm anticipating that that's going to take another 5 or 6 years. I've sort of set myself a 10-year goal of finishing this, though that's not a hard and fast deadline. It may go beyond that if the Lord grants me that amount of time. Or if he doesn't, the work may be one of those incomplete works that doesn't get all the way finished, which would be interesting. But I'm hoping that it will be a 10-year project, and I'm already a couple of years into it.